Hello traders. Welcome to KP Technical.
Stock has given symmetrical triangle breakout, can go long with stop loss below 1870. Stock has given breakout and now retesting breakout level and also at Fibonacci 38.2 retracement level, can go long above 585 with stop loss below 560. After multiple trendline rejection, stock has given breakout, can go long with stop loss below 200. Formation of dragonfly doji candlestick and stock has taken support at previous breakout level which was acting as resistance, can go long with stop loss below 620. Bullish engulfing formation and stock has taken support at previous breakout level which was acting as resistance, can go long with stop loss below 52. Breakout of 5 years old trend line, can go long with stop loss below 70. Bullish harami formed on weekly basis, can go long with stop loss below 880.
For more stock market updates, subscribe KP Technical.